All right, as we look at these next problems, I'm going to go through the steps as well that I wrote up for you above. So step one, I calculate what's under the radical, calculate this. So -5, I put this all in my calculator at once, and I get 13. Multiply the bottom. Step one is done. Step two, I simplify the radical. Okay, as we saw in the last problem, so the square root of 13 is already simplified. So step two is done. Step three, take out any common factors. Okay, so are there any common factors either here or here that I take out? There are none. This cannot be simplified. This is the same as a 1. Okay, so no common factors. Now I write the equation. And by the way, you write the equation as two separate ones first, then simplify. -5 plus square root of 13 over 2. -5 minus square root of 13 over 2. And then, if you want, you could have done this all in one step. We're dividing both terms by 2. And -5 over 2 minus square root of 13 over 2. All right. These cannot be added because, once again, you cannot take this term and add it to your radical term. And that's it. You're simplifying. All right, number 4, last problem. All right. So, first step I'm going to do is I'm going to put all this in my calculator at once. I'm going to multiply the bottom. 2 times 3 is 6. So I put this in my calculator and do -6 squared minus 4 times 3 times 2. This will be 36, and this will actually be 36. So 36 minus 36 will be 0. Well, this is sort of nice because the square root of 0 is simply 0. If you'd like, now you could split this up into -12 plus 0 over 6 and -12 minus 0 over 6. Now, here's why I say you could. Whether you add 0 or subtract 0, it doesn't matter. You'll get the same thing. You're just going to get -12. Okay? So in the end, you get -12 over 6, which is -2. And this would be the same. So you'll notice, in this case, you actually get this, just one solution of -2. And that one actually simplifies out. All right, go ahead and begin your homework. And if you have any questions, again, you come see me down in the math office or talk to your teacher.